வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தாலும் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் கிளாஸ் 7 டேர்ம் 2 யூனிட் 2 த முகல் எம்பையர் புக் எக்ஸசைஸ் கொஷின் அண்ட் ஆன்சர் ஹையர் ஆர்டர் திங்கிங் கொஷின்ஸ். First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, who introduced the Persian style of architecture in India? Option A, Humayun. Option B, Babur. Option C, Jahangir. Option D, Akbar. The correct answer is option B, Babur. Second one, in which battle did Akbar defeat Rana Pratap? Option A, Panipat. Option B, Sausa. Option C, Haldiati. Option D, Kanauj. The correct answer is option C, Haldayati. Third one, whose palace in Delhi was destroyed by Sher Shah? Option A, Babur. Option B, Humayun. Option C, Ibrahim Lodi. Option D, Alam Khan. The answer is option B, Humayun. Fourth one, who introduced Mansabdari system? Option A, Sher Shah. Option B, Akbar. Option C, Jahangir. Option D, Shahjahan. The correct answer is option B, Akbar. Fourth one, who was the revenue minister of Akbar? Option A, Birbal. Option B, Raja Bhagavandas. Option C, Raja Todarmal. Option D, Raja Mansingh. The correct answer is option C, Raja Todarmal. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, Dash was the name of the horse of Rana Pratap. Answer is Chetak. Second one, Dash was a hall at Fatehpur Sikri where scholars of all religions met for a discourse. Answer is Ibadat Khan. Third one, the Sufi saint who received Akbar's utmost respect was Dash. Answer is Salim Chishti. Fourth one, during the reign of Dash, the Japti system was extended to the Deccan provinces. Answer is Shahjahan. Fifth one, Dash were tax-free lands given to scholars and religious institutions. Answer is Suyirgal. Third Roman letter, match the following. First one, Babur, Chandiri. Second one, Durgavadi, Central Province. Third one, Rani Chand Bibi, Ahmednagar. Fourth one, Din-i-Ilahi, Akbar. Fifth one, Raja Mansingh, Jaipur. Fourth Roman letter, true or false. First one, Babur inherited Fargana, a small kingdom in Central Asia. True. Second one, Humayun succeeded in recapturing Delhi in 1565. False, because Humayun recaptured Delhi in 1555. Third one, Aurangzeb married a girl of a notable Rajput family. False, because only Akbar married a girl of a notable Rajput family. Fourth one, Jahangir ordered execution of Sikh leader Guru Arjan for helping his son Khusrau. True. Fifth one, during Aurangzeb's reign, architecture received much patronage. False, because during Aurangzeb's reign, architecture did not receive much patronage. Fifth Roman letter, consider the following statements, tick the appropriate answer. First one, assertion, the British established their first factory at Surat. Reason, Jahangir granted trading rights to the English. Option A, or is the correct explanation of A. Option B, or is not the correct explanation of A. Option C, A is wrong and or is correct. Option D, A and R are wrong. Here the correct answer is option A, or is the correct explanation of A. Second one, assertion, Aurangzeb's intolerance towards other religions made him unpopular among people. Reason, Aurangzeb reimposed the jizya and pilgrim tax on the Hindus. Option A, or is the correct explanation of A. Option B, or is not the correct explanation of A. Option C, A is wrong and R is correct. Option D, A and R are wrong. Here the correct answer is option A, or is the correct explanation of A. Third one, find out the correct statements. Statement 1. Kamran was the son of Afghan noble Hasan Suri, ruler of Sasaram in Bihar. Statement 2. Akbar abolished the jizya poll tax on non-Muslims and the tax on Hindu pilgrims. Statement 3. Aurangzeb ascended the throne after killing his 3 brothers. Statement 4. Prince Akbar entered into a pact with Shivaji's son Sambhuji in the Deccan. From these 4 statements, we have to find out the correct statements. So the answer is statement 2, statement 3, statement 4 are correct. Statement 1 is wrong because Sher-Shah was the son of Afghan noble Hasan Suri. Fourth one, arrange the battles in chronological order. Chronological means in the order of sequence it was happened. First one, Battle of Kanwa. Second, Battle of Chausa. Third, Battle of Kanoj. Fourth, Battle of Chandri. Here the correct order is first, Battle of Kanwa 1527. Second, Battle of Chandri 1528. And third, Battle of Chausa 1539. And the fourth, Battle of Kanoj 1540. Fifth one, arrange the following administrative divisions in descending order. Number 1, Sarkars. Number 2, Parganas. Number 3, Shubhas. The correct answer is number 1, Shubhas. Number 2, Sarkars. Number 3, Parganas. Next, Roman letter, match the father and son. We have to match the father with the son. Number 1, Akbar, Jahangir. Number 2, Daulat Khan Lodi, Dilwar Khan. Number 3, Hasan Suri, Sher-Shah. Number 4, Babur, Humayun. Number 5, Uday Singh, Rana Pratap. Roman letter 6, short answer. First question, write the circumstance that led to the Battle of Panipat in 1526. Question number 2, mention the Humayun recaptured the Delhi throne in 1555. Third one, write a note on Mansabdari system. Seventh Roman letter, answer the following. First one, describe the land revenue administration of the Mughals. Second one, estimate Akbar as a patron of learning. Eighth Roman letter, higher order thinking question. Question 1. Shahjahan's time witnessed the climax of Mughal splendor. Support this statement in comparison with the times of other Mughal rulers. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.